Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be showing you how you can fix a tire so you don't have to wait for a service call. So if you have like a nail or a screw stuck in your tire, you don't have to wait for a service call. All you need is just this tire kit that you can get from any truck stop, and it should be around about $2 to $3. And you don't need no tools or anything, and you can just work with this. And that's how you guys do it, man. If you guys have any questions or anything, just comment down below and I'll get back to you guys.